What's going on, foodie fams? This is Ron McNeil. Today we're going to do a shrimp and chicken stir fry on top of a bed of rice, but we're going to do it my way. I'm here at a friend's house today, so we are going to cook it up. Well, let me show you. All right, so to start this meal off, we're going to do 1 pound of shrimp, large shrimp. We also have 2 chicken breasts, some soy sauce, Hoisin sauce, cornstarch, 3 chives bell peppers. We have some green onions, mushrooms, and some broccoli. All right, so we have rice. Here are all the seasonings we're going to use today: ground pepper, garlic powder, ginger, a little bit of cumin, red chili flakes. All right, step one, what we want to do is we want to get the broccoli going. This is just basically salt water. We're going to put this in there for about two minutes or so. We're not going to completely cook the broccoli, but what we're going to do is just kind of blanch it a little bit. So let that go. 2 minutes tops. All right. Okay, broccoli's been on for 2 minutes. Looks good, nice bright and green. I'm going to go over here, strain it a little bit. All right. How beautiful that is. All right. What we're going to do is now, we've already got the rice going. We blanched out the broccoli. Now what we want to do is put a little oil in the pan. And we want to get our protein going. And also some of our vegetables. So this is that 2 pounds of chicken. I'm going to start with the chicken first. And the reason why we're going to start with the chicken is it's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. And if we do the shrimp only takes about 2 minutes. So you know that I haven't put any seasoning on it right now, and that's because I don't want to burn the pan right now, but I am going to season it. I'm going to put a little bit of salt right now. Not too much. Make sure it's hot enough. Alright, so chicken is pretty much done. What we're going to do is put a little bit of the onions in here. We're not going to put all of them in there. I'll put a little bit of onions in there. And of course we got our seasoning. We got our garlic, pepper, red chili flakes. We also have ginger and a little bit of cumin. Alright, we'll put that on top of that. Right here. Now we're going to add in the shrimp right on top. Okay. We're going to let this settle for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to pull this out a little bit. I'm going to add the vegetables and try those. This is almost done. Just my pan's a little bit small. So, I'm going to pull this off the heat a little bit. Let it sit for a second. Alright, so next we got a little bit of oil in here. Do a little bit of a fry. Bell peppers. I'm not going to put all the bell peppers in there. Just to add a little bit more color. But also These right here get a little bit of the sweetness to the dish. Got some mushrooms on top here. Now we're just gonna cook this down a little bit. Once it's cooked down, we're gonna combine it together, throw the broccoli back in there, and add the sauce in, and we're ready to go. They're pretty much ready to go. Look good over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this back in. It's already cooked, ready to go. Got the broccoli right in there. Everything's really cooked. Just kind of getting it combined in a little bit. And we're about to add in our hoisin and soy sauce. So the soy sauce already has salt in it. And the soy sauce also done, but there's also a little cornstarch in there. We're going to thicken that up also. And really, really good. A little bit of water to it. A little bit more onions to it. Hey! That's our Arabella, little princess.
Daddy, we go that way, Daddy. Which way?
Look at that sauce, how that sauce comes out. The bell peppers, everything's kind of mixed into the sauce now. And literally, this is really ready to plate. We're going to plate this up in just a second for everybody. Alright, so next thing we're going to show you how to plate it, okay? So you can turn it off. Alright. Sauce is all mixed in there, everything's all good. What I'm going to do is add this over onto the plate. Here, put it right up on top. So, notice everything right here. All right. Finish it up right. Show y'all. Put it right here. There we go. All right. All right, so this is Cooking with Ron, Uncle Ron, and this is our dish right here. Hope you enjoy it. Peace.